Here I've got HUAWEI P40 Lite E, and let me show you how to change the date and time on the following device. So at first let's open the settings, then find and select System, it's the very last icon, and then tap on Date and Time. And here you can either use automatic date and time or you can turn it off. And now you can set everything like date, time and also time zone by yourself. So let's start with changing the date. We can go back in time to 2008, then let me change the hour and also time zone. So here you can pick something from this white long list. You can go to Croatia. And finally you can also change the format of your clock. So you can use either 24-hour format clock or 12-hour format clock, it's up to you. Then you can also activate dual clocks, so you'll have two clocks displayed when you are away from your home, and that's very useful, so I will stay with it. And this is it. This is how you can change date and time in your device. Whenever you would like to go back to automatic setup, just tap on this switcher and now you will have your date, time and time zone set up automatically. So that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.